name is Gail from Flosstyle Patterns. Thank you for joining us for the scrub cap sew along. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a scrub cap just like this one using our ultimate bucket hat pattern. There'll be 3 videos in total, and if you'd like to follow along with all the event and the prizes and games and things that we'll be having, you can do that in our Facebook group. So you'll find the link for that in the comments below. Alright, so these are the fabrics that I've chosen for my scrub hat. So this one here is a drill that I'm going to be using for my outer and my band. And this one here is a quilting cotton that I'm going to be using for the inside of my scrub hat. Alright, on to which pattern pieces we're going to need. So for those who don't know, the scrub hat is a variation of our ultimate bucket hat pattern. So the pieces that you're going to need are the ultimate bucket hat lid and the ultimate bucket hat walls. So first thing you want to do once you've printed your pattern is take your ruler and check that your test square measures 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Once you're sure that that's correct, you want to put that onto the side, and you want to take your scissors and you want to cut along these 2 grey dotted lines of the walls and tape them together. Okay, so now our 2 wall pieces are stuck together to make up our wall pattern piece, and we have our lid pattern piece. The next thing that you're going to want to do is decide whether you're going to cut out the size you're making or trace it. To find out what size you're going to need to make, on the lid there is a table that shows the head measurements, the approximate age of people with that head measurement, and how much fabric you're going to need. So I'm going to be making the eye size, the medium adult, and I'm going to cut my pattern pieces out. Alright, now that your pattern pieces are cut to the size scrub hat that you want to make, it's time to cut our fabric. So a really easy way to do that if you have a cutting mat and a rotary cutter is to lay your outer fabric on top of your inner fabric like I have. Place your pattern piece on top and use some pattern weights to hold it down while you take your rotary cutter and cut out your pieces. So you want to cut 1 each of the lid and 2 each of the walls. And then as well as that, you're going to want to cut your band to go around the bottom of your scrub hat, and the measurements for each size can be found at the top of page 16. Alright everyone, that's it for today. So thank you so much for joining me. You should have all your pieces cut out, ready to start sewing tomorrow. Thank you.